Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the Virgin Media Player app not working. So let's get started. So here we can see the Virgin Media Player app. If it's not working, you have to follow these instructions. Just press and hold it here. Just click on this I button. After that, here you have to scroll down and see at the last option as storage. Just click on there. And from there, you have to clear the data of the app. Okay. After then, you have to open your Google search bar. If you are having Google search bar, you can open it, and if you don't have, you can open your Play Store as well. Okay, just open and search for the Virgin Media Player. So here we can see Virgin Media Player. Just install it, like here, not install, just update it from here and you can use it. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.